Kaskul Lareto Convent kum sibenta banyelek menlang halo ke jingdap sanpau snem jong ke jylla Meghalaya hadien ke jingio ya ke jylla bapura kala penlong da ke exhibition hak bapin inam ya ke jingtenat ke jylla harengkat ki kolsor bat ke jingriew spah hakariti doster bat kiriam tenrai nakaliang ke skul Lareto kumbo julong man kapor ke jupun long yijilak kai per ndai da ke jingwan jong ke klam COVID-19 kimsim la yoshu ban penlong bat menta ka kanti kala sim ya kani ke senjam ban rakhe ya ke jingdap sanpau snem jong ke jylla Meghalaya. Nakaliang ki kimi ki pa jung ki khana skul ki balawan lang ha kani ke jingpyni nam ki lapan pa ba ki sungotunat sibun bani i ya ki kun ki ti jung ki ha karyam tanrai khasi chantia bat garo bat kalong shisha ka ba itanat ba kakong MPR lingdo kabade ka principal barim ka Shillong college habai kran bot Shillong mil ukurwo ka atiar kalapan pa ya ka jingman bakraw ya ka jingle jong ka skul dak ba pendung ki khana ya ka mensim iri lengba ki jingrwai bat kiryam tanrai
rakhe ke jingdap sanpau snem jong ka Meghalaya mo na do kha ktes pa nyu puat bat kum ju ru ya ke jingdap nyu san snem jong ke jinglai lu jo ka India bat ke jing pen krek ngai kalong ke bitnat do kata kata kepada dan ba ke jingmut mdei ta ba stanat mereka dan do ba ke jingmut bat ke ke mai so tanat e kalong ba ki pen rong haki khana ke bdang ret ya ke men sim ijri mo ke jingrai jong ki jing pen krek jong ki ke jingriam bat ka wei pat ke mi tho ki jai beriam kumno ki penriam chukan mentai Bengali riam khasi riam ngori mo te ka jing e la ka jong ka riam ka jing e la jong ka ktien ka jing e ya ka jai beriam ka digani ka pa pen itna de kham tam na do dang ret ma bangi sim ngi di ban sim do dang ret nga sai ngi di ban ai khublei ka pang ye ka skol Lareto melawan ra kan ye ka ya kan program kan ki jing le buram bat ka ding thai ka skol baning kong e but ngaya na do menem step shpoje but dengan dia tu epi da sutrat do kata but ngai khublei ya kinong penyai ki school ki principal kinong penyai kinong hikai ki me ki pa ba kumju kinong tre ki bla ngatai kla trish tom baban pelong ye kedik program te kalong ke ke bang sutrat do kata bang sukmen but kata ko mang ong epi kawi ka bang sutrat ye ka kata nga kalong ka men sem ki penrung ki khnap dang ya ka jing ri ban e ya ka song sarong ki jong ka tanrai ngit e la ki jong ka rai ka siao ngit e ki jong tanrai ba kata bang sutrat ki jing pi nam ju ki keleng ki long bai tanat do kata jingyo ke jylla ke jingdap san post nam bat kum ju ru ya ka jingyo dap nyop san sem ju ke jingyo lai lu teng thai ki nik ki phang ki basot na do kata bat nga community be ki we ki skol ro ke nang ai la ki ni ki skol ki college be kinu ke nang ai kum kani bat kai pa.
This is a great experience because first time we are looking her in this attire, khasi attire, and she enjoy a lot because she never wear this dress normally in the home. So she really enjoy, and along with her we also enjoy because we are the part of exhibition now. So we can say we will always encourage her to wear khasi dress and also to know about khasi tradition. Thank you very much.
It was a very good idea that the sister has and the teachers has worked together. The effort of the students should be appreciated. The work was too good. People staying in Shillong may not know many of the things about Shillong, but we came to know our state more properly through such activity and such exhibition that being conducted in the school. So I think it was a great opportunity for all of us, being a parent, student and teachers as a whole, to be a part of our state Meghalaya, and we should be proud of our state Meghalaya. Thank you.
Habai kren bat ka sister Mersha Dizuza kabade ka principal ka Lareto convent kalaitu baka school kalakanjo shakashi spa khalai snem nadu balasdang banwan house nem siajar kandai spa khandai kata shwa baka jylla megalia kanyo ya ka jylla bapura bat kala ai khobleiru yakinu kai lambat kikmi kikpa ke bakrshan teng e ya kani ka jingtmu jong ka school ban rakhe nak banta ka jingdap sanphos nem ka jylla.
Since we are celebrating 50 years, the Golden Jubilee of Meghalaya, we decided to have this exhibition to showcase our state, the beauty of the state, the richness of the state, the culture of the state. So every class has taken a different topic, and the class visited these various sites. They've learned a lot through the knowledge that they gained from resource people coming to our school and filling them with more information. So we are grateful to all those who came to this school. Now the children have done various topics, like they studied about the languages of the place, the dress, the music, the dance, food, the tourist spots, flora and fauna, agriculture, horticulture, the craft, especially the cane work here, the pottery, fishery, textiles, all the poets and writers, and the personalities, great personalities of this state through the photo gallery, and the personalities, leaders who have achieved this statehood. And we wanted to do this topic because Lareto has been here 113 years, and we came here in 1909. So we worked for the development of women and the girl child. So in 1972, when we celebrated this Meghalaya becoming a state, we were already here 63 years earlier. So therefore, the students, the sisters, the management, they all celebrated. And I feel privileged to be here at this special time, Golden Jubilee time, where I could showcase this, motivate my teachers and our children, and they all rose to the occasion in putting up such a wonderful exhibition. So my thanks to all the government officials who have also helped us, all the resource people who came here, and most of all the parents who took the trouble to get the costumes. They have sponsored their child to put up whatever they have done today. And our girls also have done a lot of research work, and they have learnt much more through this exhibition. And this is what they have learnt: to cultivate mushrooms, they have learnt pottery, fishery, agriculture. So I hope agriculture in this state will improve because of this exhibition. So my thanks once again to all those who have cooperated, and most of all my teachers and our students.
Shate
Hakani kasingi ka Chief Secretary ka jylla ka kong RV Suichang kabla syakot sngoba hakani kasingi habakren hak jelang kala ajiro e ka skul Lareto kabla shim yakani ka sinjam ban penlong yakani ka jingpyni nam panyo jingdap hakabai day bat ka jylla Meghalaya.
Let me just say that you all are the future of the state, you are the future of the country. So it's very, very important for you to take your studies very, very seriously. I mean, there are lots of students in our country, even in Meghalaya, who don't have the opportunity to go to school because of poverty, or because, especially girls, where they have to take care of their siblings. So don't waste this opportunity. It's a fantastic school, and I think, we have parents, we have teachers here who are responsible for your education. But I think that you yourself, are responsible for your own education. You must be able to discover what you are good at, and be committed to whatever you do. I mean, I know, sometimes school, it's difficult to focus, there are too many subjects, not all are your favorite subjects, I'm sure maths must be difficult. I found maths difficult when I was in school, but, the trick is to keep on, practicing and do well. I think there's nothing much you can do except, set goals for yourself actually. You should have goals, simple ones, like when I come back from school, do my homework, probably after a brief rest period. Don't leave your homework towards, to end. Do it, in time. I think study at least an hour, if not more. Pick up a book and I think spend some time reading a book. All of us have stopped reading, I think this is something that we should again start and rekindle your love for books. And nowadays you also have books which are like, they are pictorial books. So if you're bored, reading letters, you need to go for these kind of books. There is so much to do, and be attentive in class. I think that's very important. Take up something, do a volunteering work, maybe pick up an extracurricular activity. You may say that, no, I'm not good in sports, but nobody is good in sports. I mean, it's you do it just to, be healthy, keep fit. Don't let, a failure defeat you. Let failure teach you. I'm telling you, the minute you realize that you need to learn, so that's the time when, you start asking questions. That's the time when you know that you will grow as a person. And it's important for you kids to, in class, the teachers are there, it's important for you to communicate with your teachers, with your parents. I think even the parents who are here, my advice to you is to speak to your children. It's very important to talk to them, to communicate. They can, tell you a lot of things that's happening, things that are not maybe, going on too well. And how will you know this if you don't talk to your children? Please don't think that you're so busy that you don't have time for your children. Please do talk to your children. Teachers are there, talk to them and ask questions in school. Don't be shy. Sometimes when I was a kid, I used to feel shy asking questions because, asking questions means, oh, you're stupid, you don't know the answer. But no, there's nothing wrong in asking questions. There's nothing wrong. Don't fear that your peers will think that you don't know your subject matter. That's why you're asking questions. It's important to be curious, don't ask questions for the sake of asking, but if you're really curious and you really don't know the answer to a particular issue, please go ahead and do it. So this is what we should, inculcate in our students, in our children. Please go ahead, be proactive and interact in class.